me? I am Vedika. Today we are making a banana walnut cake. This aromatic and flavorful cake has become very popular in recent times. So keep watching.
Banana walnut cake. Start by preheating the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Take a 1 pound bread mold and grease it with butter. Now add a layer of butter paper at the bottom. I have already cut this to the size of the mold. Now set this aside. In a bowl, add the eggs. Now add the sugar and give it a good whisk till it is thoroughly incorporated. To this, add the flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon powder, salt, and mix it well. Now if you don't like cinnamon, you can substitute it with a few drops of vanilla essence. To this, add the bananas, half of the walnuts, and refined oil. Fold this into the batter. Pour a few spoons of batter into the prepared mold. Add some chopped walnuts and keep repeating this process. We are doing this so that we get some walnut in every bite of the cake. If we mix them all into the batter, they tend to sink to the bottom of the mold. Once you have poured in the entire batter, sprinkle some walnuts on top. Tap it gently so the batter spreads uniformly. Bake this at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. You will know the cake is done if you insert a toothpick into the middle of the cake and it comes out absolutely clean. Let it cool down on a cooling rack for 10 minutes. Okay, this cake is cool enough. Let's unmold this. With a knife, release the edges of the cake. Now hold it from both ends and then turn it over. Peel off the butter paper. Our banana walnut cake is now ready. This dense and flavorful cake is best served warm with a cup of hot coffee.
Wasn't this banana walnut cake very easy to make? Do try this recipe at home and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Aroma More.